If you want to enable and set up a mobile hotspot on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all, we can go to settings on your phone. Next, in the settings, we should be able to go to mobile network, and then in here you can search for personal hotspot. We can enable personal hotspot just by tapping on this switcher over here. And once you do so, you can also generate a QR code that can be used in order to let other devices connect without having to enter the password. And if you want to configure your hotspot, we can go to hotspot settings, where you can find the hotspot name and the password, so you can change that. You can also find some additional options here below, so you can manage your hotspot settings in here. And if you made any changes, remember to use the save button here in the upper right corner. In addition to that, you can add you can probably find the hotspot button in quick settings or the control center. In my case, it is over here, so I can easily enable and disable the hotspot from quick settings. Leave a like and subscribe.